Hi everyone, my name is Abbey Weninger and I'm an Associate Territory Manager with Pioneer. I'm here today to show you how to set up a group text messaging app to use with your customers throughout the growing season. This would be a great way for you to send out agronomy information and videos to your growers to keep them updated on what's happening in the area. So the first step to do is to grab your smartphone and go to the App Store if you are on an iPhone, or the Google Play Store if you are on an Android. And you want to download the app Remind. So type in Remind in the App Store. And it's going to be this blue one with the cloud that says Remind School Community. So I already have that downloaded, but you'll have to download that and then open the app. So once you have the Remind app downloaded, now it's time to create your login. So what you're going to do is you want to make sure you enter your Pioneer email address. Do not enter your phone number here. Enter your Pioneer email address. And then click Next. Now you need to create a password. You won't have to really remember this password because once you're logged into your phone, you'll stay logged in, but try and create a password that you will remember. Once you've created that password, you need to agree to the user agreement. So I'm going to accept that. And then it says, tell us about yourself. What is your primary role in the organization? Do not be surprised when you see the options here. This is an app that is regularly used in schools and teachers use it. So in this case, you're going to select I'm a teacher. And then it says, what is your name? So here, enter your first and last name. Click Next. Create your first class. So this is going to be the group that you're creating. So you are going to label your class Pioneer. And click Next. And then click OK. And click Allow. So connect Pioneer to your school ? Click Skip for now. And then click Skip in the upper right hand corner when you get to this slide. So now you have created your Remind account. So a great thing about this app is that the individuals that are in a group, they receive the message as if it's sent to them individually. So your next step now is to add people to this group. But before you add people to this group, I want to let you know that when you add people to this group, they automatically get a message that they've been added to the group. So they will get a text message to their phone that says, you have been added to Pioneer by Abbey Weninger. So they're going to get a message that they've been added to a group called Pioneer by Abbey Weninger. They can reply leave or stop all to not receive the messages anymore. So how you add people directly is you're going to click the Add People Directly, pick from contacts, and now all the contacts in your phone will be listed. So what you'll need to do is for all the people you want to add, you would click Add in the right hand corner, and then it will turn green. So then they will receive that message that they've been added to the group. So once you've completed and added all the people you want to, you can leave this section. And now you can go and send a message so that they know that this isn't spam. So what you want to do is you want to click this blue pencil in the bottom right hand corner. And then it'll say how many people have been added to your Pioneer group, and you want to click that white dot next to the group so that it turns blue. Click Next, and then type your message. So what a lot of the reps have been doing is typing, hi, this is Abbey Weninger with Weninger Seeds. I will be using this to send out agronomy updates and information throughout the growing season. Thank you. So you would type that and then you click send in the bottom right hand corner, and it will send to all of the people added to that group. If you're interested in ever adding a picture or a video, you would click this paper clip in the bottom left hand corner and click photo, and then would you like access to your photos? Click OK, and then all of your photos will pop up for you to add the photo or the video. So that is just a quick run through, and a couple key points that I also want to hit on is that the individuals in this group will just receive a text message straight to their phone. They do not have to download the Remind app to get the text messages. The only way people will know who is also in the group with them is if they have the Remind app. Then they will be able to see all of the people in that group, but other than that, they won't know because they will just be receiving a text message straight to their phone. If a grower ever responds to the text message, it will go directly back to you and no one else in the group will receive it. The message will pop up in your Remind app. So that's why you allowed notifications to appear on that. So that is just a quick way to set up Remind, and this is going to be a really great app for you to use throughout the growing season. So once you have it set up, make sure you are sending out a text message every 1 to 2 weeks, or maybe it's a couple times a month, to really let your growers know about what you're finding in the field and important agronomy updates throughout the growing season. If you have any questions on how to set up Remind or you need any assistance, please feel free to contact me with the following information. Thanks.
That concludes this Pioneer Growing Point Agronomy video podcast. Visit our page on pioneer.com and follow us on Twitter and Facebook for more agronomy insights.